Hello, this is Gopal, UR14CS121, and this is my web technology, that is problem number 8. And here we have the question to PHP database connection and cookies. So we have to make a login page where we will basically have a registration page, a login page, and to keep the user logged in, we also have the concept of cookies. So let's see the output first. So this is my login page code, and we look into the output first. This is the output page for the login. Now here the username and the password can be entered, and the person can successfully log inside if he is registered with the database. The database can be observed over here. The username, password, and emails. A table is given. So if we enter a password that is already existing, it will log in. If we keep and we press on keep me signed in, the cookies will be set, and for 1 hour the cookies will be set. And so here great you have this is shown, and the cookies have been set for 1 hour. Now suppose if we don't if we don't want to be signed in, keep signed in for 1 hour, what we can do is we can remove the checkbox and still continue with it. So it will show great you have logged in successfully. So let us look at the code for it. Now over here we have a home.php. This is my login.php, and inside the login.php I have the username, password, and the basic HTML page. And in the PHP code, what we have done is we have connected the PHP with the database that we have made my PHP myadmin. So here is the connection object, and connection object um, and then the select DB, and the DB has been selected by this query. And over here we have given the host username, password, and database has been connected. Now the database that we have connected is registration underscore. Now yes, so suppose here if the person submits the form, then the name and the user in the password will be stored in these variable name and password. And if it is the username has not been set, then it will show a login page an alert message saying you did not complete all the required fields, and so is for the password field also. It has to be entered for you to enter to the next login page, home page. So over here, we'll see what happens when we log into the page. We'll go to the home page, and inside the home page it will show using the post array. The username has been saved inside the name variable, and it is outputted over here. Now if suppose we want to set the cookie, so what we can do is we can take the username and password and save it in a variable, and then what here we have done is if is set post submit. So the post array submit, if it is set or is clicked, then it will check if the post C1, that is the checkbox, C1 is the checkbox name, if it is empty or not. If it is not empty, then its cookie will be set. The cookie name is cookie1, and this password will be set as a cookie for time period, time 16 to 16 to 1, meaning 1 hour. And this is for set cookies. Now suppose if we don't want to log in, but we have to newly register into the uh, newly register, then what we can do is not a member. We click on not a member, then it will be directed to register.php. So register.php here is the basic HTML form where we will enter all the username and passwords. And sign up for it, and these are the people who have already signed up, and so the username cannot repeat, so we have to find a new username. Suppose I am uh, signing up for it. So mark email is mark at the rate, password is MA. Now before signing up, we can see there is no person marked in the database. Now if I sign up, we go to the index page and it will just display. And not only that, over here we can see the mark has been added and the password has been encrypted using SHA-1, and this is the email of the user, and it will get stored and it will get directed to index.php. So in index.php we see here that the the names of the user who are already existing in the database users will be taken and selected in the variable duplicate, and the duplicate will be MySQL query will be executed and stored in result. Now to display all the rows, we use MySQL num rows to duplicate results. So this variable is put in here, and if it is greater than or equal to 1, that is, if it is not equal to 0, then all these users will be displayed. And over here we can see how it is, how the values that are put in the new user will be stored in each variable, and it will be inserted in the database using this query, and then it is inserted successfully. So the last part of the login page is to reset the password. So if we have forgot the password and if you want to reset it, then we can go to this link and we will be directed towards set reset password page. For this, the person has to enter his username first. Suppose Mark, email address is mark@gmail.com, and I want to change the password from MA to AM. So what happens is, in the database, this is the encrypted password. So over here we can see this value will get changed on resetting the password. 13822 will get changed by the password has been successfully updated. Let's check. It has been successfully updated. Yes, so here we can see the value of the password has been changed. So so that's it for in this page we can see that the username, password, and this cookie signing is the set cookies concept. Forgot your password is basically local global variables, and changing the values in the database. Not a member is for registration. Um, this is all for my lab experiment number 8.